Hello everybody, this was the unboxing of the new Hottoys DX18 Darth Maul figure from the movie Solo, in which he appears at the very end of the movie. And, well, first here a brief look at the figure out of the box. And with that quickly out of the way, I'm going to focus on the accessories first, because this is a DX Deluxe figure. So we should have a good variety and amount of accessories. So here we have the accessories. First up here, a keyring with the Crimson Dawn logo, 2 holograms, one of Darth Maul himself and one of Kira, a chair. We have the tool here to adjust the eyes, a selection of hands. We have the extra light up effect arm here with batteries included, and a piece for the glove here. And then we have 4 lightsaber pieces, the 2 normal ones and the 2 that make it look like the lightsaber is in motion. And then we have the 2 accessories here already on the figure, the regular lightsaber in his hand and the Crimson Dawn necklace here. And finally we also get a huge base here with a dynamic stand, and it says Star Wars Darth Maul here and the DX18 instruction here, which I recommend to read before you start moving around with the figure. I'm particularly excited about the holograms here. I think the details are good and it gives me the real vibe of a hologram. And if you put the right light beneath it, you can actually get some really cool photos if you want to with the holograms here. And also this one. So I think it's a nice little effect to have. And the main piece here, the chair, nice details, and it fits very well. And again, pretty cool that it was included. Only thing I could wish for maybe was an extra head sculpt, but you can't really have it all. I think this figure has the deluxe feeling about it, especially the box and all the stuff they put into the box, but also the figure and the accessories themselves are actually deluxe material in my opinion. And of course you can put the lightsaber effect pieces here into the lightsaber, and you can also do that on the light up one here. And well, this light up function it's not better nor worse than what you usually get. So if you are familiar with these light up arms here, you'll know exactly what to get. I know this is a light room now, so you would of course be able to see this effect better in a dark environment. But well, it's cool that it's included. To me, the main attraction of this figure and any other Darth Maul figure is the head sculpt. And as you can see here, it's put on a magnetized neck, so which means it's a nice articulated head. And then you have the details here of an older and more battle-hardened Darth Maul. And you also have the eye mechanism here, eye rolling mechanism, where you can use the small provided tool, put it in here, and then you will be able to wiggle around with his eyes and make him look exactly like you want to. Yeah, very, very nice. And there are also a great quality to his suit here. Most of it is with bendy wires, so you can wiggle around with it. And then we have the Cyborg legs here with pistons and wires and everything. They look extremely cool. And from the knee and up, we have the usual figure body, and but still it just fits this figure. We also can see a part of his chest with his tattoos, and I just think this figure has an extremely cool look, and the legs here really add to that. And all in all, the figure is well articulated. You can move the Cyborg legs here a really good amount. Also pivot the ankles. The rest of the body has the usual and Really not restricted movement, also with double jointed elbows here. Only complaint I have is with the head. As much as you can move the head itself, the neck is not articulated, so the weak spot here is that the figure cannot really look down very much. It can look up and to the sides and everything, but down is the only weak part of the articulation of this figure. And here we have a comparison next to the Sideshow Duel on Naboo Darth Maul figure, which in my opinion also has a really, really good head sculpt of the younger Darth Maul. But all in all, I must say that the new one here is a very, very nice addition if you are a fan of Darth Maul. So for now, I'm going to leave you with my opinion about the Darth Maul DX18 figure, and then I'll conclude this review. This is a very good Darth Maul figure. It's not a perfect figure, there are a few flaws, but I think it's definitely worth it, and to me it is a real deluxe figure with a huge variety of accessories as a very nice packaging as well. If you want this figure in your collection, I guess it depends on what kind of Darth Maul you prefer. The DX16 and 17 are also great figures, and they are of course a more classic interpretation of Darth Maul. If you want this one with the Cyborg legs, I highly recommend to check it out. Or you could wait for the new version that comes out here somewhere around the next few months or maybe years, I don't know. But I recommend to check out this figure. Thanks a lot for watching, leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.